Welcome to LEV Toys. It is Christmas Eve and we are opening up the last door. Is it here? Is it here? Is it over here? Oh, I'm so confused. Where is door number 24? Yeah, okay, it's the only one left. So let's open it up. Just want a little bit of suspense because it's just all too easy now. It's the last door and it's the last build. I'm sad, but I'm excited because tomorrow is Christmas. So let's build our last build and put it on the Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, what do we have here? I actually didn't look very hard at the pictures. So let's see, we'll put it together and then we'll find out. It'll all become clear. So putting this together probably entirely not the most sensible way to go about it, but that's pretty good. We got the base on and then we've got a couple of little hangy bits. All right, and we've got some of these little blue Technique pieces. Oh, so we can put these on here. They're either little eyeballs, which I don't think they are. I think they're going to be wheels because we've got 4 of them, 1 on each side. No, 2 on each side. Yeah, okay. It wouldn't work overly well if there were only 1 on each side. It would fall over. All right, we've got 2 of these pink skinny ones and we're going to put purple on the top and a couple of windows. We're making kind of a little box. And it's a little train, or is it like a little candy train? It could have candy floss on the front, or fairy floss, or whatever you call it in your country. We call it fairy floss. And we've got some I don't know what these are. Let's figure it out. We've got a detachable present, I assume, here for the back. And yes, definitely a present, except I have done something wrong here. So let's pull that apart again. Let's try it again because we actually need a little connector, otherwise it's just going to be left behind. We don't want to leave the presents behind. Or the present, it's just one present. So this is a whole little vehicle, a whole little candy train, little sweets train to deliver the present. Oh, that's really, really cute. That's very cute. I feel as though there should be something on the very tippy top. All right, let's go and hang this on the Christmas tree. The last one to go on the Christmas tree. Actually, where have the girls been? I think they're hanging out here in the Christmas tree somewhere. Let's see. Let me see. Oh, look, here's Andrea. Can I get her to get into focus? I don't think so. All right, so Andrea's hanging out over here. Here's Olivia. I don't think they want to come out of the Christmas tree. I think they might be hanging out here all night. I hope they go to sleep at some stage. Here's Mia. She looks so happy to be in the tree. She loves nature. Who else are we looking for? Stephanie. Here's Stephanie. Oh, Stephanie. She looks happy too. Super duper happy. And Emma just looks really chilled and relaxed down here. Oh, there we are. We've got all of the girls and all of the ornaments on the Christmas tree. Now, tomorrow is Christmas Day. I hope everybody has the best possible day that you can have, and I will see you back here again after Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.